GM fam, what's up? I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. I figured since I am going to be quarantined officially this coming Thursday due to the governor stating that all salons will be shut down Wednesday at 5 o'clock, I am filming this right before I'm going in Monday, March 23rd. Once I got that notice, I just went ahead and sort of moved my clients around. So I figured makeup tutorials. I got time. I'm sure you guys got time. Let's take our mind off of things and do some makeup, shall we? So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in, and just for kicks and giggles today, I found that I had a sample of the Huda Beauty Foundation. I have used this before. It is beautiful. However, it is, oh, whoa, way too much. It is one of those foundations that I cannot use often, maybe like once a month, because it did irritate my skin a little bit. However, I cannot deny that this is one of the most beautiful foundations I have ever put on my skin. So she is pretty. And of course, I'm using my trusty Makeup Forever lap brush in the shade, I think it's the shade Mocha, I believe. I just wish she would take the scent out of her products. That would be fantastic. So pretty, so pretty. And it's full coverage. Like, it says full, she means full, she means business. She does not mess around when it comes to the coverage. So I just told myself, you know, this will be chit chatty, I guess, since, autofocus. There we go. Now we're focused. I just told myself, you know, don't worry about it. You were able to move some clients up today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and God's going to provide. And you know what? It's just going to force me to work on other aspects of my business. So that's where I'm at. I ain't going to cry. I'm not going to do any of that stuff. I'm just going to stay strong, remain positive, and try not to go nuts. And of course today it's raining. Go figure, right? Couldn't even do my cardio outside. We have our at-home garage gym now, which is awesome. I'm so thankful for that. Marilla went and got all the stuff, and I was like, oh, God bless you. That's a good husband, because he knows, happy wife. And I'm using the Mcgrath concealer. And yes, I am putting on a full face for about, what, I don't know, 3.5 hours of work. I have 2 clients, but guess what? I don't care. Makeup makes me happy. All right, then I'm just going to take my Kat Von D under eye blurring powder. I got quite a few comments on the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish versus the Pat McGrath powder. And again, like I stated in the video, Pat powder is not bad. Just for me personally, I did not notice a significantly enough of a difference for me to be like, oh my gosh, I need this and you guys need it too. It was not much of a difference for me to pay essentially more for a product, and it didn't look any different. So that's that on that. Now I'm gonna set with the ABH loose powder. Then for blush today, I want to use Sex on Fire. Haven't used this in a long time. And I'm just gonna take whatever bronzer that I have on my brush. When is the VIB sale? Which, this is probably the worst time to have a sale, just because A, everyone's at home bored, 2, you're probably gonna spend money that you shouldn't be spending, and 3, unless you're like me who doesn't make money unless you are working because you're a service provider. So, anywho, sale's coming. And I saw that Sephora right now, they're doing free shipping to everyone, which is awesome. And you guys, I am still loving the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It has not ran out on your girl yet. So this is the new wave. This is the new pencil. I feel so rushed right now because today is Monday. I don't typically work on Mondays. So as soon as I start texting my clients that I have this week, and everyone's like, well, any chance you can come in today? So I wasn't gonna tell them no. I was literally sitting on my sofa working on some business stuff, looking like a troll. Now I had to come make myself look human again. Okay, are we zoomed? Boom. All right. Now I am using my handy dandy Urban Decay Caffeine. You already know the deal. And for today's palette of choice, Juvia's Place Chocolate, loving it. I went live with it. And I was kind of debating, you know, just dropping y'all with some serious content and makeup tutorials because I told myself, oh, no one's going anywhere. They don't, you know, no one's doing their makeup, but makeup relaxes me. It's my therapy. And I know right now I am just so thankful for all of the content creators, makeup, fitness, comedy. Just if you are someone and you create content, keep creating content because it is bringing some positive energy into a lot of people's headspaces. So don't feel like now is the time to stop. In fact, if you are a content creator, I advise you now is the time to push your content because people are home. We literally have nothing to do. So this is a great time. Create content, engage with your subscribers, my AM fam. Or if you're someone who's maybe you've always wanted to start a YouTube channel but you've been nervous about it, girl, grab your phone, get in front of a window, get you a light, and just start producing your content. I don't care if you're cooking, maybe you do craft, just do it, you know, because someone will see it and it will be a positive moment in someone's life. For me, I'm always looking to add value to teach you guys, but also I know my main mission on this earth is to inspire, to motivate, and to create. And however way I choose to do it, whether it be with beauty, makeup, hair, fitness, that's what I'm gonna do. So, and also you guys are the ultimate inspiration. Y'all inspire me just to keep pushing, just to keep going. I love all of the encouraging messages that I always get from you guys as well. Knowing that someone took value, knowing that someone felt encouraged or just even felt better. Maybe you got to disconnect from what you have going on in your world. If my content does that for you in any way, then hey, I've already won. Like, you don't have to have a large subscriber count. Like, if my content is doing that, goals, then we're good. And I'll probably film some content now in my garage. If you guys want some at-home workouts or you just want to see what I'm doing for my workouts, that will probably be helpful too as well. Let me know down below if you want to see that. And a lot of stuff too, believe it or not, like you don't have to have equipment. Like if you have bands and some dumbbells, you know, if you have maybe 5, 8, 10 pounds, you can do a lot with resistant bands and dumbbells because that's what I've been doing. This look, it's monochromatic, but I dig a good monochromatic look. I'm into it. It's very chocolatey, if you will. And I need some liner. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs liner. I don't think I want to put any liner on the top. Well, maybe I'll just tightline. I'll tightline the top today. And who knows, I might even be going live more too. And now is the time. Put in your request. I was bringing Throwback Thursday back, but every day might be a throwback for a couple of weeks. I don't know, just depending on how long this lasts. But if there is a palette that you want to see, drop it down below, an eye look with. If I got it, I will do it. Also, allergies are at an all-time high right now. I know in North Carolina, Charlotte, the pollen is insane. I believe this Saturday we had, what, 78, 80 degree weather. Now it's freezing cold. 50s is freezing for us Southerners, by the way. Go ahead, laugh, I don't care. Now it's like 50 degrees, 60 degrees. It's gonna be like that for the next couple of days. Then by the end of the week again, we're back to 84. So if you live in the South and you catch a cold, don't freak out, sis. Because between the pollen and the weather fluctuation, like, don't go straight to the coronavirus. Just allergies, weather change. Don't put that on yourself. Don't even speak it. And we just need some mascara. I'm gonna have to switch over to waterproof mascara because y'all saw the mess with my beauty blender and the mascara. It wasn't the concealer. This ran on me last year too. For some reason, when it gets warm, I guess maybe I get sweatier under there or something. I don't know, but if it's not waterproof mascara on the lash line, on the waterline, forget about it. Don't you love it? Never mind, because I know she's trying to help. Someone's trying to give me like advice on what I can do because the salon is closed and whatnot. You know, could I do some people's hair inside of my homes? Yes, however, I do not like that. I only do house calls for my family, and I love my clients, nothing against my clients, but y'all know, like, you can't have all these spirits coming up into your home, you know what I mean? And I just, yeah. I would rather go to a client's home if I had to versus having a client come to my place, because that's just a little bit too much for me. Because I have a project that I have been working hard on since January. This is me doing it all by myself. There's no brand collaborations, like ain't nobody checking for me. But I am building something on my own, and the goal was to launch it May 1st. But with all this stuff going on, it kind of got me really, really nervous, and I started thinking maybe I shouldn't launch it at all. But what just kind of came upon me now, I think I might go ahead and launch that bad boy. And I might even do it sooner than May 1st. And what I'm going to do is just launch it to you guys first. So it won't go on my Instagram, my Facebook, none of my other stuff. I think I might launch it off to you guys first, so that way you guys can see it, give me your feedback. You know, if you want to purchase, cool, and if not, all good. But I made this with the intentions of you guys in mind in the first place. So now that I'm sitting here thinking about it and I'm working this out in my head and the Lord's just kind of guiding me, I need to launch it to you guys first, and then I can do the grand shebang bang. So listen, all things work together for the good. All right, you guys, let me get on some lip gloss. If you have not tried Revlon Super Luster, the gloss, baby, what you doing? Beautiful. This is our finished look. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up the look. I hope you all can just stay encouraged, stay positive, come up off of the news outlets if you can for a little bit. Watch something on Netflix, watch your favorite content creator, watch other content creators, support those guys. You guys, I love you so, so much. Stay in contact with me, you guys. Hit me up on Instagram, because I'm here. I'm here for you. I love you. Praying for you all. Stay safe. You know the deal. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.